Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you something fun and exciting to do in the air fryer, and that is how to do a traditional English breakfast the air fryer way, with your usual sausages and bacon, black pudding, scrambled egg, beans. We've got the whole thing for you, all happening in one air fryer basket. Before we dive into this recipe, please note that we've got 1200 plus more kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many others. Okay, so if you want to make an English breakfast in the air fryer, then it is certainly possible, and we're going to be showing you a really quick version here where you can cook pretty much everything all at the same time in the air fryer. We're just swapping over the scrambled eggs for the beans because otherwise it won't all fit. For this English breakfast, we're including sausages, bacon, black pudding, grilled tomatoes, baked beans, and those eggs are going to be made into scrambled eggs. So it's a nice selection for an English breakfast in the air fryer. You can make your own swaps. For example, instead of baked beans, you could swap those for some buttered mushrooms. You could do some other add-ins, like whilst you're serving up the food, you can be doing some toast in the air fryer. The choice is simply yours, and this is just our version of an easy and quick and simple English breakfast in the air fryer. Let's start by making the scrambled eggs. Into a ramekin, you want 2 eggs. If you've not used ramekins in the air fryer before, they're absolutely perfect. I recommend you also check out our recipe on RecipeThis.com, and we also have a video for it on YouTube for air fryer egg cups, because that is a fantastic healthy breakfast in the air fryer. And then once you've added your eggs in, you want a little bit of milk, a little bit of butter and some salt. And then you give them a good mixing. And then once your eggs are nicely mixed, this is ready to go into the air fryer basket. So let's get the air fryer out. And this is when it comes down to planning, because you want to fit several things into your air fryer basket at once. So, sausages. You want to get 4 sausages into your air fryer basket. You want to get in 2 slices of black pudding. So let's have them like that. And then you want to get in, I'm missing a knife, have a look for a knife, to chop up your grilled tomato. And then the most important thing for me when it comes to grilled tomatoes is salt. So give them a good helping of salt. So as you can see so far, you've got your eggs for your scrambled eggs, you've got your black pudding, you've got your sausages, you've got your tomatoes, and now all you need to do is find some space for your bacon. Your bacon can really go anywhere, but I recommend most, just like that. I've got 3 slices here instead of 2 because they're so lovely. And then you could have the other one over there with your sausages. And then that is your English breakfast ready to go in. And then obviously we'll have the beans in later. Be careful when you're placing it back in because it's heavy and you don't want your eggs coming out. So for making your English breakfast, you want a temperature of 190 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 5 minutes. You're probably thinking, oh, no way in 5 minutes, but 5 minutes is our way of listening to the air fryer and it telling us that we need to mix our scrambled eggs. And we beat. Oh wow, and as you can see, it's starting to cook already. So now, I'm just going to turn the bacon over. And then you're just going to give the eggs a mix. And then it's another 5 minutes straight back on. And we beat. Wow! Those scrambled eggs look absolutely amazing. And as you can see, the sausages here are coming along nicely as well. So's the black pudding, and the tomatoes are perfect nearly already. So the next job is to turn your sausages over. You can do that with a fork like that, or you can just wiggle them round. And just get the bacon out of the way for this. So as you can see, they're getting a lovely brown on them with the sausages already. And then as you can see, they're nicely turned over. And then because I'm a total wimp and not good with hot things, Dominic's going to be as kind as to remove the scrambled eggs. See, Chef Asbestos hands. Isn't that wonderful? And then in your gap there, look, the gap still fits. This is going to be for your beans. So now I'm just going to move this air fryer out of the way so that I can get some room. And then you're doing the same thing again, but now with some beans instead. And do as many beans as you want, it just depends on how many people you're feeding. And then move the air fryer back. Your beans are in and it's ready. Oh, hang on a minute, the bacon. Dominic's just reminding me that the bacon was stuck on the black pudding. Is that all right, Dominic?
I think it looks okay.
Right, 5 minutes in again. Yep, still set at 180 Celsius, another 5 minutes, and then it should be ready. As you can see, the scrambled eggs comes out like a souffle, so you just want to give it a quick stir, and then it'll resemble regular scrambled eggs. Look, that's like perfect scrambled eggs. Obviously, if you're just doing scrambled eggs in the air fryer, you can use a much bigger container than this. But it's just a perfect, easy way if you're cooking it with a fry up. And with beans. Oh wow, we actually have an English breakfast in the air fryer. Doesn't that bacon look fantastic, and how crispy it is? And then look at all the lovely colour on those sausages, absolutely fantastic. And of course you've got piping hot baked beans there as well. You've got your lovely tomatoes, and let's not forget about the scrambled eggs that we've already made. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to plate this up for you so that you can actually visualise it on a dinner plate. So I'm just going to get a plate, and then Dominic's going to dish it up for us. So, here's a plate for Dominic, and this is the same plate that we use on recipethis.com. So if you go on recipethis.com, search the word English, you'll find this recipe with the same plate. And that's the dog sighing because she knows it's sausage and bacon smells and she isn't getting any. Oh wow. The husband hates black pudding, so I think that means it's all mine. The good tomatoes are a bit smaller than the ones originally on the blog, but I think it depends on where you live and what size you get. Wow, that's looking good. Scrambled eggs as well. I believe you can make an English fry up in the air fryer in 15 minutes. I mean, my mum used to make it look so stressful and complicated with all the different frying pans. Stressing out, she'd have a hostess trolley out, keeping things warm at the same time as well. And just look, dumped in the air fryer, 15 minutes, and you've got a full fry up. As you can see, sausages, bacon, baked beans, scrambled eggs, grilled tomatoes and black pudding. Just like that in the air fryer. And unlike the old days, you're only washing up is 2 ramekins and obviously air fry basket. Much better compared to all the pots that you used to have. And I just think it looks fantastic. I'm just going to bring the plate up to the video camera so you can all see how good it looks. I mean, oh wow. I just cannot wait to tuck into it. I'm just so excited about this. And this is the fryer. I still can't believe you can do all this in the air fryer. It started off as an experiment in the air fryer for us back in 2015, and we've kind of made it better and better and better. And this is the English breakfast that we recommend that you make in the air fryer. You know, sausage, bacon, beans, eggs, tomatoes, black pudding. What more could you want in the air fryer? And like I said, it's so easy and stress-free compared to all those different frying pans. And you know, you've got no separate pan for your beans, a separate pan for this, sausage and bacon in the other. You know, it's just so much easier and it's just fantastic. Brunch, late breakfast, bring it on. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.